I love sketching. Every time I started drawing, I used to begin with a sketch. You can create anything you want just by starting with something simple, even something messy. So messy that you are the only one who can actually read it. But after years of drawing, I started to realize something. Starting with a sketch is classic. But honestly, I think it's a bit overrated because everyone does it. Wait. If everyone's doing it, doesn't that mean it works? Hey, I'm not saying sketching is a bad idea, but I want to show you a way that made me draw way better and a lot faster. I discovered this while I was doom scrolling on Instagram. I came across a painter working on a piece and something caught my attention. He didn't start with a sketch. He went straight onto the canvas and started with thumbnailing. Now, I'm not a painter, so I adapted what he did into my own drawing process. Let's start with a clean blank canvas, only pure white and pure nothing. You pick up your brush and suddenly you think, what am I even supposed to draw? So you just start scribbling black strokes, random marks across the canvas, and then, because you are smart, you start seeing those shapes as a silhouette. With your imagination, you begin shaping it into a character. And you think, this is gonna look really good if I add some perspective. So you build it using a 2-point perspective. You pose the figure, leaning forward, gripping something, maybe a lightning? And the lightning bursts out in every direction. And just like that, you get something like this. Now the question is, what do you do with that silhouette? With your magical hands, you lower the opacity. Now you can draw your line art on top. Who is this character? What do they look like? Is it a he or a she? That's up to you. But now that you've done it once, you want to do it again. This time, you switch to the lasso tool. You start with simple shapes, just making a bunch of spears. People might ask, what are you even drawing? But you don't care because they are not paying your bills, not paying your salary, no. You keep arranging those shapes until a silhouette appears. A man dressed in a batsuit. You add perspective so it doesn't feel flat. Then you refine it, line art comes in, and finally you have your character. An adult in a batsuit who spends his night beating up criminals in a chaotic city. I will see you in the next video, my boy. So if you enjoyed this, help me survive in this economy by hitting like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves drawing. Happy learning and enjoy drawing.